The Nongkrem Integrated Youth Development, which recently completed 3 years since its establishment, marked the occasion by organizing a blood donation camp as part of its community service initiative. The camp was organized in collaboration with the Directorate of Health Services, Medical Education and Research, and the Regional Blood Center, Pasture Institute, Shillong, at the Youth Cultural Center cum Community Hall in Nongkrem. Former Nongkrem MLA and MDC Lambor Malngyang attended the program as the chief guest in the presence of the Rangbashnong of Nongkrem Pelun and other prominent members of the locality. The blood donation drive witnessed active participation from residents, with young people, men and women coming forward to donate blood and support those in urgent need of medical care. Speaking on the occasion, community leaders acknowledged that although NYD is only 3 years old, its initiatives and contribution to society have been significant. As the chief guest, Lambor Malngyang lauded the organization for taking up the blood donation initiative, stating that such programs provide an important avenue to serve the community, particularly at a time when patients and families often face difficulties in arranging blood during medical emergencies.
Ngayon, share platform but connect organization habili kiwil gimata mga suknak sibon na mga nakapor kabangawan banya don dapat may about ya panong ya ka musical concert may o yung sing ang maglaga ni man sa niya yung ba ang sukmian dalam ya contribute ya rap naman ta ban UH ni banya sna magkasya ng ilong yin kibarhamduna ng teng kibadunatam nomor ngila yamat kumiginig niya kabang ikendu daga miat na ya kababa pun ba ki long yin long sel nomor habang tidang kamsam kumot tengtiang kihapan so kador bat kador talong kami kador batat kador kadai koream kabang asy mga migong so daga sa stiyang lahjat tingka iwan bro ubak yang lain apo tatan mau sa yang lain apo jingke malaysia po mali kaladan daga organization kidan ki group ibayang apo civil hospital shabar kibasya terwas namin demaladon leaders army laingot kibatarwa ladon kibantat gobyerno kano kinsim kamot tuno ilam extra sanspa asim resetia day kung kumasa away yung tusiyaw ng tunit ngilamat ngilasem at ngalak pinida lamba jong gajingdon lamba jong gajingmi jong patient mat banyarap bandon kataga blood donation ka yang bakin ay soha klan ka no chikmi day nanyo pat mga ninyo tagaway no ya andai tutip play ng kartu ng tajupay como organization